I've been in this business for 35 years. 35 years ago, it was very easy. You had a beer distributor that had 60 different SKUs, and really dumb, fat, and happy. Life was very easy. You could make money in spite of yourself. There's a lot of pressures now, both from the brewers and from customers, where you need to perform to a high level. If you want those extra cases to go on the truck. And with the new brands coming out, the new SKUs coming out that the brewers expect distribution on, then you have to be able to get the truck loaded right the first time, so that the customer is happy and will take the product in. We pretty typically ran 0.5 for an error rate. As the brands brought in more SKUs, that error rate seemed to nudge up, that we were having a hard time keeping 0.6. The rate was just too high, too many mistakes, too many dissatisfied customers, and at that point we decided that we needed to do a warehouse overhaul. We wound up going with the HX2 from Honeywell. It's a good unit, very durable, easy, very dependable, and we had gone around to a couple of other distributors that had used other units, and they had had some problems. AGI had recommended that Honeywell built a great unit, and they're absolutely correct.
Our major focus is to provide engineering services to help them understand where their process deficiencies are, how to enhance their outbound and inbound performance and inventory control in other areas, and provide software solutions to help them achieve the results that lead the industry in their segment. Whether that be cases per hour picked, whether that be date code rotation for particular products, or whether that is a very specific area of quality control.
We had looked at a number of other units or other systems, and AGI system was custom. It basically did everything we needed to do. It's really an excellent system, and has driven our business to a much greater standard of accuracy, a decrease in breakage. The voice pick builds consistent pallets.
Using the new system, I can tell them I can get an invoice on it. I'll type the item number into our software, and boom, it comes up, and they go to that specific location and they get the case. It saves a huge amount of time. We use the MX7s to receive all product that comes into the warehouse. When the truck comes in, we unload it, set it to a staging area, scan each pallet with the MX7s. After they're done with the complete load, they go to the Zebra printers where an individual sticker prints out for each pallet, and after that the stickers are placed on each pallet. They're put away into our backstock locations with dates and unique pallet codes. At that point, they'll stay in the backstock until we need to bring them up into our pick row, or they're going out as full pallets on our trucks. We track them by date, keep the freshest ones. Obviously, it's first in, first out. When our pick row runs low, the AGI software tells us when it needs to be replenished. And it could say, W9 needs 4 pallets. And it'll tell us by date which pallets to use, where they are located in backstock area, and we'll replenish the rows as told.
We're able to palletize all the loads into a sticker format, which the pickers go out and they use the Honeywell devices to scan the sticker, and a voice speaks to them telling them the location to go to pick the product, where they'll scan the barcode and it gives them it confirms that they're at the right location, and then gives them the quantity of the item to pick that they'll put on the pallet.
Voice command, say again.
Go to location Y20 and scan item 07034. Course Lieutenant.
5.
Last location. Updating database. Database was updated. Drop pallet on location SH1. Say got it, when done.
Got it.
And they were at in between 140 and 160 cases per hour before AGI and Honeywell came in. And I would say they're up to, on average, we're probably around 220 to 250 cases per hour now. So that's a huge improvement. I don't think their work habits have changed, and I think it's just because of the system and how it's directing them. Sieving we were in the Stone Ages. We have a piece of paper and they write up what comes off a truck and we check it versus our bill of lading that we receive from the supplier. And that we just had, everything was handwritten. Now it's like night and day, really. We can, with the stickers and the zebra printers, we track every pallet in the warehouse. I could look on the AGI software and I could locate any one of these pallets if I wanted to, by number or by RSQ number.
As far as errors, like I said before, we were pretty proud that we were at 0.5. That was using no WMS type system. It was just loaders. That quickly creeped to 0.6 and a little bit higher. Since we've done the changeover, we've consistently been between 0.2 and 0.3. Our goal is below 0.2. And we've had a lot of days where we're between 0.1 and 0.2. So the error rate definitely has gone down. We want accuracy. We want to go to a customer once. We want to give them what they order, when they order it.
Our ability to provide a solution that is affordable and cost-effective to clients in this market segment is due to the fact that we're able to partner with Honeywell and CTG to combine that with our capabilities and create results that that end up in a one-year ROI for these guys. And that type of capability hasn't existed in the past.
A lot of companies you do business with, they don't, they sell you something, but they don't always perform. AGI and Honeywell both have performed. The products are great products, and they've made a huge difference here.